Girl, you still wear medium too, so don't do too much smalls, girl. Don't do too much smalls. My sister has on my set that I wore.
The kids will be scared of that?
A little bit scared. The way the Grinch's hips sound. No. Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. It is the day before my last day of work before Thanksgiving break, and I feel like I'm gonna start Vlogmas with this video. I'm not really 100% sure yet, but I feel like I will. And my first day of Vlogmas will probably be like spend Thanksgiving with my family. We're going down to Delaware, so that should be fun. Yeah, but I have to do like a maintenance for myself today somewhat, so it's gonna be like maintenance for Thanksgiving because I have to do my nails and I have to do my toes. My god, my toes look so bad. So I have to do both of those things. My hair is already done, so I'm not really worried about my hair. And yeah, I have a very cute and cozy Thanksgiving outfit too, so I'll kind of show you what I'm wearing for Thanksgiving, and maybe I'll do like a cook with me as well because I'm only making like 2 dishes. My sister's making the rest. So yeah, just spend the day with me for Thanksgiving. I think this is gonna start off Vlogmas. I'm not even 100% sure. I got so many. I actually have my whole entire Vlogmas planned out now, but I got to figure out how I'm gonna record it. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna definitely have to batch record all my stuff and then batch edit because there's absolutely no way I'm not gonna be able to stay on top of it. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and say hey, and we'll go from there. I hope I stay, like I said, on top of Vlogmas. I did pretty good the last 2 years. I've completed it for 2 years. This year just feels a little different, but I'm going to do my best to make sure I complete it like I need to do it, and that's what I'm going to do. So, yeah. I will talk to y'all a little bit later. Today, let's pray that it's a good day because my kids has lost it yesterday, so I'm praying that today is just a better day. And, yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Good morning. Guys, look at this room. Like, first of all, let me show you this room. Happy Thanksgiving, by the way, y'all. This is my sister's house, and this is like, I don't know if it's called the white room or whatever, but it's so cute. So I'm just like sitting in this chair. I just wanted to come on and say happy Thanksgiving. I just got dressed for the day, and I'm about to run to the store with my husband to get like stuff to cook. I'm supposed to be making ham and sweet potato pudding, so I'm excited about that. And yeah, I feel so cute. I gotta show you guys my outfit. Let me see if you can see. Can't really see. I'm gonna show you upstairs because it's better upstairs. This is a size small. I don't know why lately I've been feeling like I wear small all the time, and I really do not. Honestly, I need to still get mediums. Like, girl, you still wear medium too, so don't do too much smalls, girl. Don't do too much smalls. So yeah, we're sitting here chilling out. So excited that today is Thanksgiving and we get to eat stew. And yeah, I just wanted to come on. I'll show you guys probably when I'm cooking the ham, how I make my ham and my sweet potato pudding. And yeah, this is gonna probably kick off Vlogmas because you're spending Thanksgiving with me. I didn't wear makeup. I don't really feel like wearing makeup today. No, just don't feel like wearing makeup. But yeah, my nose has a pimple. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's right here. It's right in the center of my nose. How? I don't know. And I have to wash my hair because it's so greasy. I think I'm gonna spray dry shampoo in it. But yeah, I love my sister's house. Every time we come here, it's such a vibe. I really just love it. I can't wait till we get our place like this and it's like nice and big, and I love it here. So yeah, I'll talk to you later. Do you have the Vitamix or the? I keep calling the Vitamix, but it's not that. You know what I'm talking about?
No.
The Ninja,
A bullet?
the big one.
Yeah, I have one. It's in there.
Y'all just made my ham. Having a libation.
Libations next.
My sister has on my set that I wore. Cute in the brown and the beige.
That's real.
I gotta get a new battery soon though. Hello, y'all. I forgot how I can take this off so it doesn't like flicker in the background, but somebody taught me how to do that and I forgot. What's going on, guys? So today is Saturday, and happy Saturday for those of you that are new here. I would like to start decorating today, so I have to go to Michael's, and I think I'm only going to decorate like one side of the house. If I can, I'll put up my tree. It probably just won't be decorated yet, and I'll probably decorate that tomorrow. But yeah, I want to start getting ready for Christmas. I just put on like a light beat face. I don't know if you guys can really tell or not, but I kind of like it. It looks kind of cute. Yeah, so what's happening? So yeah, I'm just planning on, let's turn you this way. Not too much that way. I have to put those away. I'm planning on decorating my mantle like I would normally do. I want to get a new picture, but I don't have a picture for like the holidays or whatever. And I just have on this cute little, I just have on this outfit of the day from, top is from Target. This hat is from Shein. And my pants are from Pretty Little Thing. I look like, kind of like a tree. Yeah, but this is just what I'm wearing right now. Ignore the box. I don't think you'll even see it actually. Yeah, a little bit. This is what I'm wearing today, which is just this top is from Target. These pants are from Shein. I mean, this top is from Target, pants are from Pretty Little Thing, and then these hat is from Shein. And this is just what I'm wearing for today. I just put it back in a ponytail. It's been in a ponytail for the last few days because it's time for me to wash my hair. So once I wash it, it'll look a little bit better. But yeah, I just did this light beat face. I put on like the elf glow, the halo glow. I don't know if you guys can tell, just put halo glow on. I literally brush my eyebrows up and blush and some concealer, and that's it. And that's really what I did today. Right now, I'm tired, so I gotta figure out like what can I do to give me some energy, and I have no light, and I need to get another light. The clip-on light that I had, it broke, so there's that. So I think I'm gonna buy, right now what I wanna do is I'm on Michael's website because, let me just show you. I ordered some stuff from Pretty Little Thing, from Bath and Body Works, but I'm on Michael's site because I want to get this pre-lit garland. I wanted to get, this is pretty too. I don't know if they will ship this to me. Oh, it's a 2 count. Shipped to me. It says it'll be here between Tuesday and Monday because I want to decorate my thing. This is very pretty, but I want to do my banisters, so I don't know. I'm thinking I could just like see, these are more expensive and they're not oh, it says it's pre-lit. Okay. The one that I wanted is sold out. I knew I should have got it last week when nobody was really thinking about Christmas yet, because now it's sold out and these are like way more expensive than I'm willing to spend. So yeah, I just need new garland because the garland that I had it's expired. Not expired, but it doesn't light up anymore, so I'm gonna get this again. It's only 15 bucks, so I need 3 of them, and I need tinsel, and I think I just need I'm so sorry, I'm dark, but I do not have a light. I also need a what is it called? Tinsel. I have garland for the front of the tree, for the front of the TV. A little mini tree to put in that corner, because we're having everybody over for Thanksgiving. I mean, for Thanksgiving. Did I zoom in? Okay. We're having everybody over for Christmas this year, so I'm going to decorate, and it's going to be like, hopefully, normally my color is a neutral palette, but I feel like this year I want to go like more, not just neutral. Like I want it to be colorful. So like, I don't know what exactly it's going to look like, but I'm going to kind of do that. Also, I'm on my couch, y'all. I'm just really literally chilling. We gotta get a new couch, but that's besides the point. The new couch is coming. Also, just wanted to let y'all know that I think I'm gonna get braces. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna be 40, but you know what? I don't care. Look at this. I don't know if I'm gonna show this in the vlog, but basically I just wanna fix my this tooth. It's a little crooked and it sticks kinda out. And these two teeth are composite resin, and I think I'm gonna get them redone again. I just got them done not too long ago, but I don't love how they look. I feel like my dentist did an okay job like a few years ago, actually like 7 years ago when I first got it done. I think he did a better job, and now I just feel like it's not as white as I want them to be. I feel like my teeth are whiter than those, and it's just not exactly what I want. So I'm gonna, I think, get braces to make my teeth perfectly straight like I've been wanting for years, which I've never received, because the other option is I'm gonna just get a mouthful of veneers, and that costs thousands of dollars. So I was like, if I get braces first and then I put on like the composites, maybe I'll feel better, and then eventually I'll get veneers, but I won't need them right now. You know what I mean? So I don't know, y'all. Sorry if that thing is like flickering like that. I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah, so I'm pretty much ready to go. I took a shower and everything. I'm just waiting for everybody else to get up and figure out what else I need. I think I can get this spray, like the white spray, sprayed outside, and then like the flock spray, you know what I'm talking about? I feel like I have that somewhere, like snow. That's crazy. A 2.5 foot tree. I don't know why it's so, a 4.5 foot tree, I'm sorry, is $95. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Is this 4 inch or 4 feet? Oh, the 4 foot one is not, it's out of stock. But that one is only $32. Yeah, like I need like a little small tree over there. Not nothing crazy. 4 to 5 feet. If it has lights, that's great. If not, that's okay too. But that's what I really want to find. If I could find something like that, that's great. I'm going to go on Amazon and see if I can get another light. Yeah, I got that. And I got a light, and that will be here. It says between 5 and 10 today, and it's 2:52. So if this comes at 5, I'm clipping that light on and we're using it. What else I want? I want some Celsius, like the Alani Crush or something. I think I'm gonna get those packets and go from there. Oh, my nails look so good, y'all. I did them the other day, but I was like the short square, and I don't know why I love them so much, but they look so good. Yeah. Place your order. $50. So now I gotta figure out. I'm going to reach out to a dentist and see like what I can do about my teeth to see. Yeah, because I want to get braces, so I'm gonna do that. And I'm ready to start decorating. I just need like maybe a Celsius or something to wake me up, and then I'm gonna go from there. I'm gonna see what time my husband wants to leave because I'm ready to go now. And even though I'm sleepy, I'm ready to get up and get out. Like I feel like if we get out the house, we'll be better. But yeah, this whole thing's gonna be decorated. I gotta figure out what my little Christmas vloggy thingy is gonna be today. I mean, this year I have no clue. Last year I did like a whole thing, and then I was thinking of just doing an easy intro, where it's just like not so, you know, it'll just be easier, like an easier intro. So we'll see how that works. But yeah, I will talk to y'all later. So we made it to Michael's. We went to a Michael's that's like everything exclusive, everything expensive. So we're headed in now. The other Michael's was crazy. I don't have that much to pick up, so let's go. Trying to film for TikTok and YouTube. It's always hard. So Michael's was fail, so we're Home Depot. Let's see what we find. Oh, yeah. Huh? Huh? Sure, if you want. This is already better. Oh, that's scary. That's the guy that was, I'm Mr. White Christmas. Like that guy? You see him over there?
No.
Oh, see, babe, this is what I was talking about. This is exactly what I was talking about. So I could wrap this in the.
Turn them on.
You see? I could wrap this around. So I'm gonna get this. That's what I was talking about. One is. How many feet is it? 9 feet? Maybe 3? That's okay. Yeah. It's 3 of them. Are these plastic? Just want to make sure, like, when I wrap around. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So Home Depot was a good. Home Depot was a good choice, babe.
Hmm?
Good choice.
Good job, huh?
Huh? You did a good job.
Huh?
You go to Home Depot instead, and you find the garland.
Did the kids would be scared of that?
A little bit scared. The way the Grinch's hips sound. Not. No. Not Jack Frost being scary like that. Oh no. This tree. This is nice too, but it's too big. Okay, so this tree is 6.5 feet. If they have a smaller one than this, we don't need it bigger than that. It's like $50. 99 bucks.